today we're going to be washing the ultralight down parka from Uniqlo.
So the instructions say, for one item...
Very good jacket, extremely lightweight and very warm. All the down currently is, you know, very evenly distributed and very puffy, and I hope it stays that way after we wash it. So I got this product, Nick Wax. It's been recommended quite a lot by a lot of people that wash down jackets, and I think it's probably the brand to go for. So we're gonna follow the instructions on this and the Uniqlo video and just see how it goes from there. We'll see how it goes because there's a lot of controversy over whether you should wash it like the Uniqlo video says. So it's looking pretty dead right now. You can kind of see the clumps of the down here. I've just took it out of the bath. I didn't squeeze it too much. You're just supposed to kind of pull it up, let it rinse, and then roll it in the towels. And it's just kind of drying flat now. They say to hook it up on a clothes hanger, but a lot of people just say that the down just all falls to the bottom of these areas here, and it's even harder to clump back out. Right now it's kind of, you know, kind of spread amongst it. Still doesn't look good, but we can kind of see where it gets to when it will dry a bit, and I can actually move the stuff around. So, fingers crossed. Okay guys, so we're back. It's been a couple of weeks now since I cleaned this, and I let it air dry for about 1 to 2 days, and then I stuck it in a tumble dryer with some tennis balls. So it seems to have puffed out quite well compared to how it was immediately after the wash, where you could just see the bunching up of the down, and that is still a problem in some areas, but it has puffed out quite a bit, which is nice. The only issue is I washed it because it smelled. You know, from camping for 2 months on the road, cycling, you know, exerting myself, and it was quite cold when I was out there, so I had to wear it quite a bit, and got a bit of BO smell. It still has some remnants of that smell, which is very annoying. It seems potentially unavoidable with the hand wash. If you put it in the machine, it's going to be a bit more thorough, but it probably will, you know, mess it up. So jacket's back on, and these areas here, the down is, you know, patched up, you know, around here, but I could still feel a bit of loft around there. So it could do with a bit more peeling apart, but the hand washing method does seem to have saved it quite a bit, and yeah, not too disruptive. But to wash out smells, I don't think that's the way. There's probably another way in terms of, you know, people say like baking soda and vinegar, and potentially just focusing on the areas that are smelly as opposed to doing the entire wash, because it wasn't that dirty in terms of visual. The hand wash method does work, but it's never going to be the same as it was when you bought it. I just don't think that's possible because the down is just so delicate, this ultralight stuff, and yeah. But at least we know it kind of turns out quite well. But if your garment smells, you probably need to find another way to get that out. So I'm heading back out to cycle South Italy, and I'm going to be on the bike for another 2 to 3 months again. And it's going to be quite cold in March time, so I'm going to bring it with me. And, you know, I just get whatever I take with me sweaty anyway, so I might as well take this thing. And after that, I might chuck it in the washing machine and see if I can get the smell completely dispersed. But we'll see how that goes, and I'll update you guys when that happens. But at least the hand wash has, you know, kind of retained some kind of loft, which is good. But yeah, I'll catch you in the next videos. Ciao!